Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start leveraging user-generated content with Olapic, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. User-generated content, or UGC, is a powerful asset for brands looking to enhance their marketing strategy. The first step to leveraging UGC with Olapic is to create an account on their platform. Visit the Olapic website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary information, including your email and company details. Once your account is created, log into your Olapic dashboard. Next, familiarize yourself with the main features available on the platform. Explore the Content section, where you can manage all user-generated content. To begin collecting UGC, set up a campaign within Olapic. Define the goals of your campaign, such as increasing brand awareness or engagement. Then, determine the types of content you want to collect, like photos, videos, or reviews. Promote your campaign across your social media channels to encourage submissions. Create a specific hashtag related to your campaign to streamline content collection. Monitor the submissions in your Olapic dashboard regularly. Select the best pieces of content based on your campaign goals and brand guidelines. Now it's time to curate and showcase user-generated content. Use Olapic's tools to seamlessly integrate UGC into your marketing materials. You can display this content on your website, social media, and advertising. Make sure to give credit to users by tagging them or mentioning their handles. Engagement is crucial. Respond to users who create content on your behalf. Track the performance of your UGC campaigns through Olapic's analytics features. Analyze the results to see how UGC has impacted your brand. Use these insights to refine future campaigns and improve your strategy. As you gain experience, consider expanding your UGC efforts by running multiple campaigns. This will help build a robust library of user-generated content for ongoing use. Be sure to maintain an open line of communication with your audience. Fostering a community around. Incorporate UGC into your storytelling to create authentic connections with your audience. With these steps, you will be well on your way to effectively leveraging user-generated content with Olapic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.